I'm back in the kitchen.
Today we're doing a food tour and we're just on our way to see Meyrick. He's a local chef that does a lot of street food.
Hey, g'day Will.
Nice to meet you, I'm Joel.
Joel, lovely to meet you. You're an Aussie.
I am.
Fantastic.
Our first stop is where they specialise in the famous Babi Guling. It's a whole pig on a spit.
Long beans, bean sprouts in there, grated coconut, a little bit of lemon in there, and then you've got your Balinese uratan sausage.
Very flavourful.
Yeah. The Balinese sausages are first sun-dried and then they are deep-fried.
You have your soup, and then you have your ayam betutu, and then you have your sambal mata, you have your peanuts, and then the same urap that you have here as well.
This is amazing.
Yeah, it's great. It's
Like a chip. Pork chip.
Yeah, it's pork chip.
Spicy, moist. Very moist. It's not dry at all. No, very moist.
The Babi Guling is moist, spicy with a slightly smoky flavour. Delicious.
And then they stitch up and they put the paste inside the stomach.
This is where they're doing all the roasting of the pigs on the spit. I'm back in the kitchen.
The Babi Guling pigs are first filled with a mixture of spices, including garlic. The spice mix is placed inside the cavity of the pig, then it's stitched up before roasting. It's over 30 degrees here today, very hot. I don't know how they can work so long in this heat and smoke. This is a little piece of fried intestine. That wasn't to my taste. This sweet chili pork is. It's marinated in this delicious sweet chili sauce.
And it's just char grilled, is it?
Yep.
That's delicious. We'll just try this is a pork soup.
The pork soup is made with pork bones and a spicy basa ganap mix. Very tasty.
For me, the real street food of Indonesia is actually in the Warungs. This is where traditionally it's cooked in home in the morning and then it's served in the front of the house on the main street. So people stop by and get it.
I also tried a few Balinese Sweets. This is fermented rice. It's used for dessert. It has like a wine alcoholic flavour. Unusual. I'm about to try a seaweed salad.
Interesting.
Such an array of unusual flavours and texture. These are super crunchy. You really taste the seafood flavour in the stock.
Yeah. Again,
And you can taste the seaweed.
it's not everybody's favorite. It's a traditional dish. You don't see it that often anymore. But it's something where a lot of the old love.
This is called Rujak. It has green mango, green papaya, yam bean, shrimp paste, chili palm and a sugar dressing. This is shrimp paste, a very salty pink paste commonly used as a cooking ingredient. These stinky beans are bitter in flavour and these brown ones are from the same family. These are ginger flowers used a lot in Asian cooking.
So if you've got cancer, if you've got problem with your bowels, if you've got skin problems, whatever it is, she's like the medicine woman.
Balinese Healers are still the first port of call for many Balinese people when they fall ill. I'm drinking a health drink containing turmeric, honey, lime and salt.
You taste the turmeric. Predominantly, it's the strongest flavour.
Finish.
Yes.
Why finish?
Forget McDonald's. This is where students come for a very cheap and yet satisfying meal. This has a prawn cracker on top, some rice cake, fried tofu, bean sprouts, and a peanut sauce. Another option is with a fried egg. This is the oldest cafe in Denpasar. The place attracts many locals and it's full of character. They serve a great coffee and you even get a couple of biscuits. Our next stop was again another warung. A warung is a family home that started selling food at the front of the street and later became a business due to its overwhelming success. This used to be their living room, which is now used for the restaurant. Such an amazing plate. You get a shredded chili chicken, a type of salad, chicken satay ayam, beef satay, egg in chili, Balinese rendang, choco, fried chili beef and fried prawn. Wow, this is a complete and delicious meal. This jelly is made from the daluman leaves. There's also coconut milk and palm sugar syrup. As chendol is an ice sweet dessert that contains droplets of worm-like green rice noodles, coconut milk, palm sugar syrup and sago. And we've reached our last stop for this Balinese food tour. This is pork satay, which has been charred over hot coals. It's served with a spicy blessing paste. It's cooked in this little cubicle on the street side. Again, a very hot day outside, and inside was literally an oven. I wouldn't survive not even 5 minutes in here. This is pork satay with a sweet paste made from palm sugar. And bakso sapi. It's Indonesia's signature dish soup made with beef meatballs.
Thank you so much for coming and participating and allowing us to come onto your show. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you for showing us around and being so knowledgeable about Bali. Not just the food, but the whole area. We've learned so much from you. So
Good. Oh, it's what you got. 16 years of breathing it, sleeping it and living it. I'm married to it.
there you have it.
Will is the owner and chef of some of Bali's best and authentic restaurants, and you can also stay in his beautiful villa known as the Changu Homestay. There's large bedrooms, modern bathrooms, and a really inviting swimming pool. Changu Homestay is also a mini urban farmhouse. Go for a walk and you may make some new friends. There's large indoor and outdoor communal areas. And you can also book for local food cooking classes. In the rainy season, expect the occasional downpour.
Oh boy, that's a lot of rain.
But then there's always a rainbow at the end of it. Well, this is my last breakfast in Bali, and I'm finishing on a high with eggs Benedict and a great coffee. Yet another tasty travel adventure finished. So this concludes our trip to Bali. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There'll be many more food and travel vlog experiences, so please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again.